What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are continuing now here on the east part of Hays, kind of my neck of the woods out here with David. He is with Grow Hays. David, thanks for having us today.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, right now we're inside of your new, beautiful, big MicroFactory. This place is huge, full of space. What is it used for?
Well, the plan is, when we looked at the opportunity to bring the MicroFactory here, was to grow our workforce and adding that inventory to Western Kansas. And so when we looked at how we could do that and how we can just reach out to different types of groups that need this, we looked at the possibility of startup companies that would like to come in, but they need a place where they can grow but not have to deal with so much overhead costs.
Yes.
Or we look at a small business that wants to expand and be able to afford that, or even be an indicator for a company far away that would like to come to Western Kansas, and they can start off with a small footprint and continue to grow while here in the MicroFactory.
Yeah, and the goal is to kind of utilize this space while they need it and then continue to grow in the area.
Exactly. We kind of call it, it's an incubator MicroFactory, where we say about 3 years would be what we look at, but based on their growth, we could always look at growing that even further, letting them stay longer. And we were able to do this because we had some awesome foundations and donations to the MicroFactory to reduce that overhead cost. So it comes back to the businesses that come in here where they don't have as much. So we can give them a really low rate on their square footage, and it's like an all-inclusive rate, but it also just sets them up for success. Yeah,
and once they're done here and they move on hopefully to a business within the area, you guys don't just leave them high and dry. Grow Hays is going to be with them every step of the way.
100%. I kind of look at this, if someone wants to come into the MicroFactory, I kind of look at them as a 5-year plan. First, we want to make sure they're set up for success and being able to come into here and to grow their business. But I'm already looking at, they're going to be here in the MicroFactory for 2 to 3 years or whatever their time is. But I also want to make sure when they leave here, we're also continuing to set them up for success. So I put them in that 5-year cycle. By that 5th year, we've set them up as successful as they could be, and they'll continue to grow and add workforce to Western Kansas.
Yeah, and what are some of the benefits of having this space being utilized?
So we have 24/7 access. We have a camera system for the inside and outside of the building. If you're leasing 5,000 square feet of a location, at any time you could pull that camera system up on your area just to see what's going on, see if your people are working. It's a climate controlled facility, so you're outside of the environment. We also have offices that you could lease as well. So we have 7 different offices you could lease. We have a break room, we have a conference room, everything that for a business to have those tools in front of them to be successful. Again, we're just trying to remove those barriers and give them that business environment to grow.
That's great. Well, how can people find more information about Grow Hays or the factory here?
You can go to our website, growhays.com, or you can reach out to me or email me.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much for having us today, and good luck with all of this.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Make sure you check out the MicroFactory here in Hays, but we'll have more in Good Day Kansas coming up next.
Kansas Jobs is sponsored by Grow Hays, investing in Ellis County.
Introducing the MicroFactory, the co-manufacturing space in Hays, where small-scale manufacturing meets big-scale potential. Whether you're a startup or an established business, the 30,000 square foot temperature-controlled MicroFactory features 20-foot ceilings, office spaces, break room, and conference room. Located in Hays, just off of I-70, the MicroFactory provides the ideal environment for your business to thrive. MicroFactory, empowering the makers of tomorrow.